Hello everyone, so this is Chandan here, and today I'm going to discuss about a lot of things about learning spoken English. I know, guys, this language is not a piece of cake for anyone, I know that, but today I'm going to discuss about many things that will help you out, to all of you, to improve your communication skill and getting better fluency over this language very quickly, I would say. I know this language is quite challenging for the many person who comes from Hindi medium background. I know that. I'm also one of them, I would say, because I remember when I was studying in ninth standard, 10th standard. In that situations, there was no an environment where I could try even speak single sentence with any persons because I was not getting any similarity like me, like a similar person, I would say. But nowadays, I would say I'm getting a really great environment where we can interact to each other and we can have a lot of discussions about multiple matters, I would say. Right. I really experience a lot of things during learning this language, and what I personally consider nowadays, especially, anyone can improve this language very easily, I would say, without spending even single penny over this language, I would say. Really, my dear friends, first of all, learning this language, you have to do a lot of things like reading books as well. Because reading book it's a very imperative to all of you to learn out the right uses of models and many stuff related spoken English like preposition, conjunctions, vocabulary, transformations, perceiving a lot of things regarding spoken English. You are going to master in this language very quickly, I would say, very soon, I would say. Sometimes I also got many irritation on me during learning this language. I met many teachers as well, and many of them, uh, suggested me like you have to learn first grammars. I know grammar is a very important part of spoken English, but guys, initially if you're going through grammar way, so you're going to accumulate a multiple confusion, I would say, because while having conversation with any person, you have you have a skeptical feeling towards your communication, like you're going to doubt over yourself, like whatever sentence are being created by me, is it really right according to the grammar or not? So having doubt on self activities, it will never let you free, it will never let you flow, it will never let you go in a flow in your speaking. That's the reason, first of all, you have to focus on speaking only. I know this time, this is the myth, I would say. Like, first, you have to learn grammar, and after that, you can speak and you can improve your communication, your spoken English. There, you can be a fluent speaker in this language. But I would say this is the myth only, but not in a reality, I would say. Grammar is important, but in written skill, I would say, not in a spoken English. A spoken, it's a mean like you're going to communicate with the person. If you're being able to convey your message and other people are able to understand you, so that is being communication. And this is the way the people are talking to each other, especially with the foreigner and most of the citizens who belong to the India as well. So mostly, the times where we are going to meet the strangers, and in that case, the both of have their own native language, little different, not similar to each other. In that situation, this language will help you out to communicate to each other, right? So that's the reason, ma'am, my dear friends. Don't run behind grammars. I know grammar is a very important part of spoken English, but not in the initial times. First of all, you have to work upon your speaking way. Like, first of all, you have to learn how to communicate with the people, how to gain little, fluency over your speaking. You have to learn how to deal with as a normal conversations. Day-to-day conversation, we have interacted multiple things. We have discussions about many matters, included our daily life, right? So first of all, we have to learn how to talk like that, and after that, you can extend your level. Okay. So my defense, like like there's many ways I would say. Like learning spoken English, you have been through many web series as well, because in this time there are many American web series, right, over the social media. And if you have been through multiple websites on Chrome browsers, so where you will receive many website where you are going to have so many web series, American web series. There you are going to learn a British accent, American accent, right? Many accent is there in such a web series. So this is the way you can also improve your English, right? And like mostly I would say in this time, there are multiple applications as well available on Play Stores. So you can take help through these applications as well, because you know very well, like I know in that place do you live where there is no person like you, and nobody's have the same intention like you, right? So I can say like you are the alone people over there, right, who have little interest towards your communication improvement and your spoken English, right? So you can create artificial environment, I would say. You can create an artificial environment, and in that situation the multiple application will help you out to create an artificial environment. You are going to meet, you are going to interact with multiple citizens who belong to different cities and countries, right? Especially in this time, I would say the multiple audio applications, unlimited time you can spend over there. There is no need to subscribe any plans as well, because initially I used to do a lot. And one thing I want to uh, I just want to reveal here, the mostly the people as a consider like learning, I mean very high-fi standard vocabulary. It's very important for me to be a fluent into this language. So this is the only myth I would say, but there is no reality in this way. In this case, I would say in this field, I would say, yeah, learning fancy vocabulary or standard vocabulary, it's a very imperative. I know that, but not initially. First of all, you have to focus on acquiring, acquiring common vocabulary, which is used in your daily life, right? And after completing out, I mean accumulating your day-to-day life vocabulary, then after you can expand your level. But before, you have to focus on common vocabulary, because you have already a lot of confusions, right? You don't know how to construct sentence, right? How to use vocabulary in my conversation, and most of the time you start doubting over yourself, right? So having a lot of confusion, and in that situation you are going to consider to learn hi-fi and standard vocabulary. So it would be little difficult for you, especially at your beginnings. So first of all, you have to get away from these rubbish things. Okay, I know this is very important, but not now. First, you have to focus on basic. Okay. First, you have to reach at least intermediate level. Intermediate level, that is mean like you have to enough knowledge. You must have enough knowledge to speak at least middle middle pace, I would say. Like you must have little bit fluency, If the somebody are giving you any topic, so you must have the knowledge of describing in a convenient manner all the queries related to that matters, I would say, without having any hesitations, fumbleness. It's called in the intermediate levels, I would say, like me. Still, I'm an intermediate level, I would say. I don't have any fear and a lot of doubt over me. So whatever the topic I have received and other sides, I always try to mention out and describe at least minimum a statement so that the people can perceive through this, right? So initially there is no requirement, but yeah, after crossing over the year, you can focus out. And you know what I personally think, like mm, publicly, publicly speaking, it's also very great, great for the people to get instead confidence level, because having having discussions about any person, about any matters in publicly, it will help you out to gain your confidence level as well. Anywhere you are going to optimize yourself as well, because you are going to learn, yeah, I'm able to do in publicly. And most of the time, I had created mini blogs, to all of you. So what I consider at that time, if I'll make this, so it would be good for me as well, because little bit I was underconfident, and I need to accumulate, gain some confidence. So in that situation, I think this would be the convenient and great for me to performing publicly, so that I can gain confidence, and as well as I am going to learn my potential as well. So most of the time I went to the stadium, and around the many player, children's, I would say, I used to make some vlogs as well. It was a little experiment uh, on me, I would say, but yeah, that was succeed. So so guys, like during times you have to experiment on yourself as well, because running behind any professional teachers, it's not a good enough for you. It's not a good good for a long time. Somewhere you have to utilize your own wisdoms, to get instant results, right? I know it's not a cup of tea for anybody, but you have to spend the rest of time on yourself to experiencing something unique and specific by on. Because if I talk about myself, so initially I couldn't follow any uh, guidance of any teachers, I would say, because I didn't believe on any teachers. Mostly, mostly the teachers has been instructing the student to just complete out the homework and translations, etc. But they would never let you to do some practical act like speaking. That was very imperative at that time for the people. So I had already about many considerations about this matter. So I thought, no, I need to do something else, right? And this is the way I can reach better level in this language. So that's the reason I couldn't follow any guidance of any teachers. I did something of my own, and that's the reason still I'm here. So whatever I'm telling here, whatever I'm describing here, it's my own experience. I believe like sharing my own experience, it may be quite helpful to all of you to get soon results, right? So at least you can believe on me, you can trust on me, because it's not a fake techniques. Usually the people are sharing to each other, right? And by sharing these kinds of strategy and ideas of mine and experiences behind no any other intention, I would say. Yeah, it's a clear, it's a clear, like I love to share my experience to all of you. I know that like you all are struggling over many years behind this language, right? And its language, it becomes a barrier of the many students' life, I would say, and many elders as well. Most of them have the very prominent reasons behind learning this language because they just want to grasp any job, right? Many of them are struggling over many years to just their to just crack the interview, right? And most of the people have been suffering because they are being criticized in their locality, right? Like having better post even though these people are not able to say even single statement over this language. So it's a quite humiliating for the people, right? Who who are quite educated, especially in this time. So that's the reason I consider like if I'll share my experience, my strategy, and it would be convenient to all of you to come to each dream of your life, each dream of your life. So yeah, I will think, yeah, I have really done something specific in my life, and really I will so happiest. I will be happy for you as well if you achieve your goal through me. So yeah, yeah guys, so today is enough. And because in Bihar I think today the temperature is very high. Okay, so thank you so much for stay connecting with me. And if you really like, please let me know. I love to grasp your opinions. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.